Today, we're going to talk about the 5 tips that will help you captivate your audience. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sharmila. A very warm welcome to our channel, ParentTeening. If you would love to hear more about public speaking every single week, make sure to subscribe on the button below and also on the bell icon so you will be the first one to know every time we put out content related to public speaking. Your audience is the one who are essentially going to make or break your speech. So if you really want to give an amazing speech, the first thing that you need to learn is to captivate your audience. I love to tell it that way because I want your audience to love you. The more they love you, the more confident you are going to become as a public speaker. And that's exactly what we are going to be sharing with you in this video. So stay tuned, take a lot of notes and put it into practice, because the more you practice, the more amazing speaker you are definitely going to become. Ready? Awesome. Number 1, the first thing that you need to do as a public speaker is to maintain eye contact. Imagine I'm talking to you and I'm looking here and I'm looking there and I'm looking everywhere, or I'm feeling so scared and I'm looking here. Would you like to listen to me? No, right? That's what I thought. Because if I don't connect with you, if I don't look at you directly, then you will not feel like I'm connecting with you as a speaker. Your audience, whether it is 1 or 10 or 100 or thousands or 10,000, they are sitting there and they are giving you their time. And you as a speaker, it's very, very important that you acknowledge their presence. And the best way to do it is by maintaining eye contact. Okay, some of you might find it hard. There's a way to learn it well. For now, just understand that when you maintain eye contact, your audience would start connecting with you and you will also feel really nice giving your speech. Can you do that? I'm sure you can. Number 2, body language. That is very, very essential. If you're speaking, only 3% of that is actually your language. The rest of it is your body language. So how you maintain your body during your speech is absolutely, absolutely important. Let's say you're going on the stage and you're like this. Hi everyone, so nice to meet you. Your body language is not giving any confidence at all. By just sitting up straight, keeping your head high, smiling and giving a very confident body language, you will be able to connect and captivate your audience like this. Are you ready to do that? Yes? Super. So number 1 was eye contact. Number 2 is body language. Moving on. Number 3, it's very, very important to have a strong start. Let me tell you what it is. These days, people don't have the time. It's a time where people are looking at your posts and just spending 30 seconds on it. That's how important the first 30 seconds, if you're really able to capture your audience and get their attention, then they are going to be throughout the speech with you, enjoying the speech. Can you do that? A very, very strong start is important for an amazing, amazing speech, which is why it's very important to learn it the right way and also practice and present, because the more you practice and the more you present, your audience are going to really, really enjoy it. And it's just not audience. Even in life, even in college, even in school, it's very important that you have this one important skill of public speaking, which will take you to the next level. So having a strong start is going to be very, very important. Yes? Super. Moving on. Point number 4. Any speech, it's very, very important that you enjoy yourself. Imagine what's the point in going on the stage, giving a speech, but you feeling nervous or fidgety. That experience would not be pleasurable. On the contrary, if you're able to give a speech where you're enjoying yourself and you're speaking and you're feeling so larger than yourself, that would be the best speech that you will remember. And trust me when I tell you this, your audience will love it when you are enjoying yourself. Every single time I'm on stage speaking and I'm enjoying myself, when I get off the stage, the first thing that the audience says, we loved your energy, we enjoyed you speaking there. So when you're enjoying yourself, you're able to transfer that on to your audience as well. So enjoy and make sure to captivate your audience. Moving on, final point is connect with the audience even before you start your speech. Let me tell you exactly how that is done. In the previous video, we said it's important that you reach your venue ahead of time. When you do that, you have time where you can mix with the audience, talk to them, understand them, so that they will also be able to tell you what is it that they are looking for, and you can add it on to your speech. The more you connect with your audience and you speak to them, they are going to be enjoying your speech really, really well. And that's a very simple way of captivating your audience. So it was so much fun hanging out with you, and I'm sure you enjoyed the insights as much as I enjoyed sharing with you. We'd love for you to be a part of this family, so make sure to subscribe down below. So every time there's a new content related to public speaking that's out, you are the first person to know it. So take good care of yourself. Until we meet next time, ciao!